All right, differentiating because now you know what pa and ka something something on do, what they both do. Differentiating between the two of them can be challenging. So, here is a video to recap what both of the affixes do, right? The pa prefix before verbs, all right, and both of these do attach to verbs, okay? We're talking strictly just in verbs, right? Pa before verbs, that pa prefix, that affix pa, is a causational affix, right? It causes that verb. So whatever verb that pa attaches itself to is gonna make sure that that verb is gonna play the action of causing itself to do something. Okay, so that's why it's a self-causing affix, or in this case, to cause or causing something to happen to or to itself. So it doesn't need to be within itself, it's just something that's causing it to happen, right? There's no pre-staging it or prerequisite or whatever that made it so. It's just causing it to happen, or causing it to happen to itself if we want to make it within itself, right? Versus the ka something something on circumfix, right? This circumfix or affix, right? This affix is well known to be defined as the verge of, okay? On the verge of doing something, or on the verge of about to do something without holding back, like no control over it, on the verge, or the feel the need to do something on within that that not craving, but that intrinsic the intrinsic feeling of needing to do something because it's on the verge of about to happen, right? Within. Now put within or personal because this is usually this affix is usually used with feelings with people, like feelings within people of wanting to or needing or having to do something. Mostly these are actions, or these are going to be verbs expressing actions of necessity, right? Human necessity is the key, right? So these things are just like I'm about to defecate, or I'm about to pee, or I'm about to cry. These are intrinsic kind of things that we can't control sometimes, all right? And that's why most of these times it's going to be relating to personal or human ability or human verbs of action, and you'll see it through the examples. Remember that pa is a causing or causational, right? These two are very similar. I can see why a lot of people might have a hard time with differentiating with these two, but here are, again, it's just a review to show you examples. Pahatag na lang on the right, on the left side, sorry. Pahatag na lang, right? Causing to give, just give it only, okay? Just give it only for the purpose of it just causing itself to give itself, right? Pahatag na lang, just give it, right? Padulabi sa bola. Let the ball play. Come on, I want to see you play the ball, like causing it to play, right? So let the ball play itself by you, okay? And that's also another thing that now that I said it, that the causational has a lot of circumstantial voice in it. It's very obvious. But yeah, padulabi sa bola. Okay, let the ball be played by you, causing it to play by itself by having you play it. Ipatindog lang ang poste sa kanto. Okay, so let the post stand by itself, all right? In the corner, right? Let the post stand by itself in the corner. Boom. It's the post that we are focusing now, right? That's why it's on a circumstantial voice. Ang poste sa kanto, ipatindog lang. Boom. Let the post just stand by itself. And then on the ka something something on, that circumfix for the verge of, we have two examples here. Kahilakon gyud ko sa pelikula, nindot og salida. Yeah. Oh, so this person, kahilakon gyud ko sa pelikula. I was almost about to cry in the movies, right? The motion picture, the movie, right? Pelikula is the film. So I was almost about to cry, or I was on the verge of crying, right? On the verge of crying, or about to, or I felt the need of crying in the movies. It was such a nice film, or such a nice show, right? Nindot og salida. And the last one is diin ang kubeta kahiun na ko. So, oh, where's the bathroom? Or sorry, where's the toilet? Because Kaihion nako. I am on the verge of pissing myself.